There are vehicles made for travel, and then there are vehicles built to change the meaning of travel entirely. What you're about to experience is not a camper, not an RV, and not even a luxury coach. This is something far rarer, a machine crafted for the kind of journey where the destination becomes secondary, because the experience of getting there feels like a privilege of its own. It is presence in motion, confidence expressed in form, a rolling sanctuary engineered for those who expect the extraordinary at every step. This is the 2026 Scania Luxury Camper. Welcome back to Nomad Engine. Today we enter a space where craftsmanship, engineering, and modern travel philosophy converge, where the open road becomes a place of calm refinement and mobility transforms into a statement of lifestyle. At first sight, the Scania Luxury Camper doesn't shout for attention. It commands it. Its silhouette stretches long and elegant, smooth surface panels flowing in one continuous line, like a sculpture drawn through air. The paint finish isn't merely glossy, it carries depth, like layered pearl crystal reflecting the world in soft gradients. Sunlight doesn't glare off the body, it glides along it. The front fascia is bold yet understated, LED headlamps cutting sharp and narrow, framed by metallic accents that suggest strength without aggression. The grille sits refined and confident, like a luxury hotel entrance waiting to welcome you on board. There is no clutter, no unnecessary detail. Every line speaks the same language. Purposeful simplicity. You don't look at this camper and think road trip. You look at it and think expedition, a journey not just across roads, but across moments. The air around it feels still, like approaching something of significance. It has presence, and presence, when designed well, is effortless. A soft hydraulic whisper, and the entryway opens, not rushed, not mechanical, but gentle, like a door that expects you to take your time. Step inside, and the world outside fades. The interior invites with warmth, not flashy luxury, but curated elegance. Matte ceramic flooring extends underfoot, cool and seamless. Soft, earth-tone textures line the living area, accented with handcrafted Scandinavian wood, smooth, fine-grained, and rich in natural variation. The lighting is ambient, tucked into hidden channels, glowing softly like warm afternoon sunlight passing through linen curtains. The lounge seating curves organically, upholstered in buttery full-grain leather, stitched with artisan precision. It doesn't feel manufactured, it feels considered. Panoramic windows stretch across the cabin, framing nature like moving cinema. Mountains don't just pass by, they enter the room. Forests don't just appear, they surround you. The horizon is always part of the interior space. Technology exists here, but it does not intrude. It waits patiently, integrated seamlessly into the architecture. A concealed OLED display rises only when called. Climate, lighting, entertainment, all controlled through minimal, silent gestures. You are not inside a vehicle. You are inside an experience. Continuing forward, we enter the kitchen and dining areas, a space designed not merely for function, but for ritual. The countertops are polished stone, smooth, cool, and timeless. The cabinetry opens with soft, silent motion, revealing storage designed with yacht-like efficiency, a hidden induction cooktop, a flush-set full refrigerator, and every appliance blended into the environment rather than interrupting it. It is a kitchen not meant to remind you of home, but to be home, wherever you choose to stop. Further back, the master suite radiates tranquility. A full queen-size bed rests beneath a skylight. And this skylight is not decoration. It opens to the sky, to air, to stars. Imagine lying beneath a clear alpine night, breathing crisp mountain air, wrapped in silence so pure you can hear the world breathe. Textiles are soft, colors are gentle. The bedroom is not designed to impress. It is designed to restore. A private wardrobe stands to the side, and the bathroom extends the theme of spa-like calm. A rainfall shower enclosed in seamless glass, warm light reflecting off matte stone. Water feels softer here, maybe because everything around it has been designed to slow you down. But luxury in motion means nothing without performance, and this is where Scania's engineering heritage speaks. The 2026 Scania Luxury Camper is powered by a refined high-torque diesel hybrid powertrain tuned for quiet authority rather than brute force. On the road, the air suspension doesn't simply absorb vibrations. It translates them into softness. The camper glides, almost floating. The steering is confident and precise. You feel size, but not weight. Long motorway stretches become effortless. Winding forest roads become graceful arcs. Each movement feels intentional. This is not about speed, this is about composure, and composure is the ultimate luxury. Of course, all of this comes with exclusivity. The 2026 Scania Luxury Camper is not built for the masses. It is built upon request, fully customizable, tailored to its owner's lifestyle, and crafted with the same precision you would expect from high-end bespoke architecture. Pricing begins where most motorhome budgets end, well into the luxury tier, with final configurations easily reaching into the millions. But for its owners, price is not the point. Experience is, because this camper is not purchased to escape life. It is purchased to live it differently. And when you see one traveling along the horizon, tall, calm, elegant, you are watching more than a vehicle. You are witnessing a life lived with intention. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more extraordinary travel machines. Until next time, this is Nomad Engine, and the road awaits.